If you want to see how I created this braidless crochet look using Freetress spring twist, then just keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so the beginning of the footage that I have, you guys, is all lost. So basically, I'm so sorry about that. But basically what I do is I take a part, put a rubber band on it, and then I twist it, and then I do another part and I connect that, and I twist it, and I just keep going until I get to the back of my head. It's really easy to do this, but when you get to the front of your head, you want to make sure that you do not do the rubber bands too tight. I did mine too tight and I had a hard time getting the crochet needle under it so I could put the hair in there. And then I just added a little gel on the twist to kind of just keep it together. But when you do this style, you want to make sure you do the rubber bands loose, definitely. So this was easy. I wanted to do a style to where people who can't cornrow at all, they would be able to do this spring twist style without having a cornrow at all, but you would have the cornrow effect, kind of sort of. So what I just did was just parted it, and then in the back what I did was just connected them all, kind of like how I do when I do my cornrows. But yeah, you guys, like I was saying a little bit earlier, I deleted all of my footage that I did for this video in the beginning. I accidentally deleted it. I was trying to do too many videos yesterday, and I was trying to make room on my memory card, and I thought I uploaded that part, and I did not. So I apologize for that, but this little bit of footage that I did get, I hope that it is helpful to you. Okay, y'all, so this is just me showing you what it looks like, and what I did was just took all the twists and put them in one ponytail, but I wouldn't do it this way. I would recommend taking the twist and connecting it to the rest of the hair one by one with the crochet hair, because the way I did it, it was a little bit bulky in the back, but it still worked. And so the hair I'm using is Freetress spring twist in the color T30, 18 inches. Y'all know I love some Freetress hair. Alright, so like I said earlier, when you go around your edges, you want to make sure that you put the rubber band on there loosely, because in the beginning I had a hard time putting the crochet needle through or underneath the rubber band. And you also want to make sure you have the crochet needle that is smaller. I have two sizes. I have a small one and I have a bigger one that I usually use for my twist. But you want to make sure you're using the smaller one for this style so it can easily go underneath your rubber bands. So guys, also I gotta tell y'all, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be cool for me to buy 5 packs, but for this style you're going to need at least 6 to 7 packs. So what I tried to do, I'm like, oh, it's 5 packs, because the packs, they look pretty big. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna be fine with 5 packs, but you're gonna need 6 to 7. What I tried to do was space them out, but I still needed to have more hair. So I thought this was gonna be cool, but it was not. So luckily I had some more hair from a different pack, and I was able to fill in the spaces with that. Alright, and this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do me a huge favor by hitting that like button, subscribing, and sharing too. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.